In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular text in Figma. Simple tutorial. Circular text is perfect for badges, logos, stickers, and eye-catching headings. And the process is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening your Figma project so you're on the canvas where you want the curved text to appear. Make sure the correct file is active and that you have a frame or area ready for the design. Having your font choice and the phrase you want to curve in mind will make the next step smoother. Next, open Actions. This is Figma's quick command palette that lets you find tools and features without digging through menus. You can access it from the top bar search or with your usual shortcut. The goal here is simply to pull up the place where you can search for commands and plugins. From Actions, go to the Plugins section. This narrows the search to tools that extend Figma's capabilities. Plugins handle specialized tasks, and the one we want handles text on a curve. Keeping your search inside plugins makes it faster to find exactly what we need. In the search field, enter Text Arc. This is the plugin designed to bend text along a circular or arched path. You'll see it appear in the results. It's helpful to glance at the name to be sure you've got the right one, because similar names might show up. Once you see Text Arc, select it to open. With the plugin window open, you'll see a field to enter your text and controls for how that text curves. Type the exact wording you want to appear on the circle, then adjust the radius setting to control the curvature. A smaller radius creates a tighter circle, perfect for compact badges, while a larger radius gives a gentle arc for subtle headings. If the plugin supports direction controls or negative values, you can flip the arc to curve above or below your baseline. Keep an eye on spacing and legibility. Short phrases and clean fonts usually read best on curves. When the preview looks right, click Generate. Figma will place your curved text onto the canvas. You can position it on your layout just like any other object. The key steps you followed were simple. Open your project, use Actions, head to Plugins, search Text Arc, open it, enter your text, adjust the radius, and generate. That's all it takes to create clean, professional circular text in Figma. Practice with different radii and phrasing to find the look that fits your design, and you'll be producing polished badges and logos in no time.